Which of the following word sequences is correct as per the preamble to the Constitution? Option number B, sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic. Question number 2. Any citizens of India can make a declaration renouncing his/her Indian citizenship under the dash. Option number B, Citizenship Act 1955. Question number 3. Which word has been substituted for the words unity of the nation in the 42nd Amendment Act of the Preamble of the Constitution of India? Option number C, unity and integrity of the nation. Question number 4. Which part of the Constitution of India deals with citizenship? Option number D, part 2 is the correct answer. Question number 5. According to the preamble, what does the promotion of fraternity assure? Option number A, unity and integrity of the nation. Question number 6. Which of the following noble ideals is mentioned in the preamble of the Indian Constitution? Option number B, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship. Question number 7. Who moved the objective resolution that was later adopted as the preamble of the Constitution of India? Option number C, Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 8. Which of the following words was not a part of the original preamble of the Constitution of Indian Constitution? Number C, secular. Question number 9. The Citizenship Act 1955 does not deal with. Option number C, election. Question number 10. Who described the preamble of the Indian Constitution as the political horoscope of the Indian Constitution? Option number B is the correct answer. Kanhaiyalal Maniklal Munshi. Question number 11. Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India mentions continuance of the rights of citizenship? Option number B, Article 10. 12. Which of the following is mentioned in Article 1 of the Constitution of India? Option number C, India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. Question number 13. Which of the following is an incorrect statement is regard to the meaning of the union of state in the Indian context? Option number B is the correct answer. The Indian Federation was the result of an agreement by the sovereign units to join it. Question number 14. Which articles of the Constitution of India deal with the union and its territory? Option number D, Article 1 to 4. 15. Who is the source of all the powers under the Constitution in the preamble? Option number D, we the people of India. 16. Which of the following terms is not included in the preamble of the Indian Constitution? Option number D, federalism. 17. Which article of the Indian Constitution deal with the formation of a new states? Option number D is the correct answer, Article 3. 18. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution are related to the citizenship? Option number B is the correct answer, Article 5 to 11. 19. What do you understand by dual citizenship as in the case of the US? Option number B, citizenship of a country along with that of a constituent state where one resides born. 20. In which year was the Citizenship Act passed in India? Option number B, 1955. 21. Which article of the Indian Constitution vests plenary powers in the Parliament to legislate on the subject of citizenship? Option number A, Article 11. 22. Which of the following is not a condition for acquiring the citizenship of India? Option number B, holding property. 23. Which of the following is not a way to acquire citizenship in India? Option number D is the correct answer, renunciation. 24. Which of the following statements with regard to the preamble of the Constitution is not correct? D. The Supreme Court has held that the preamble cannot be considered as an aid to the legal interpretation of the Constitution where the language is ambiguous. 25. Which of the following statements with regard to the creation of a new states or alteration of boundaries of states are correct? Option number C, 3 only. The legislation can be passed by simple majority of both houses of parliament. Yes, both houses of parliament. 26. The federation of which one of the following states has been described as an indestructible union of indestructible states? Option number A, India. 27. Which of the following statements with regard to the preamble to the Constitution of India are correct? Option number C, both 1 and 2. 28. Through the 42nd Amendment to the Constitution of India, which of the following were inserted into its preamble? Option number B, 2 only. The expression unity of the nation was substituted by unity and integrity of the nation. 29. The Citizenship Act 1955 deals with the determination of the citizenship on or after. Option number A, 26th January 1950. 30. Which of the following areas has been exempted from the purview of the Citizenship Amendment Act in 2019? Option number C, the 6th schedule areas. 31. As per the Article 371G of the Constitution of India, special provisions have been made with respect to the state of Mizoram. Accordingly, no act of parliament shall apply on certain matters unless the Legislative Assembly of Mizoram so decides by a resolution. Which one of the following matters is not covered under this article? Option number D, ownership and transfer of natural resources. 32. Which one of the following terms was used for the state in draft constitution presented by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar on the 4th November 1948? Option number A is the correct answer, Union of States. 33. With regard to the Constitution of India, which one of the following statements is not correct? Number C, the preamble is enforceable in a court of law, is not correct. 34. The Constitution 35th Amendment Act of 1974 is related to which one of the following states? Option number B, Sikkim. 35. With reference to India, consider the following statements. Option number A, 1 only. There is only one citizenship and one domicile. 36. Under Article 371A of the Constitution of India, with respect to which of the following items the acts of the Parliament of India shall not apply to the state of Nagaland unless the Legislative Assembly of the state of Nagaland by resolution so decides. Option number C is the correct answer, 1, 2 and 3 only. 37. Which one of the following Indian states was admitted as the associated state to the Union of India in 1974? Option number D, Sikkim. 38. Which one of the following statements is not correct? Option number A, Goa was established as a state by separating it from the Union Territory of Daman and Diu in 1987. It's not correct. 39. Which one of the following is in Indian polity is an essential feature that indicates that it is federal in character? Option number B, the Union Legislature has elected representatives from constituent units. 40. What was the exact constitutional status of India on 26th January 1950? Option number A, B is the correct answer, a sovereign democratic republic. 41. Which is the latest language added to the 8th schedule? Option number A, Maithili.